Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from ITALERI. This is sandbags, and this is kit number 406 in 1/35th scale. So here we can see on the front or top cover an example configuration of the various separate pieces. If we continue on the edge of the box, we can see here um, some suggestions for the title in other languages, as well as another example kit number 407, accessories. Continue on the edge, a little bit more information in other languages. And again, the picture on this side, more information in other languages, barcode, and this is from 1995. Continuing on the back, we can see here more example kits. We have 405 brick walls, 422 anti-aircraft armament set, 417 command post, and 414 house ruin. If we go ahead and take a look on the inside, this has been opened before, and I'm not sure if there's an actual additional important information paper that came with this. But to give you an idea, here's two trees with whole sandbags, which you would then remove from the trees and then finish up the rough edges and then paint and assemble in however you want to stack them up. So if you really want to have a large sandbag array, you may need multiple kits because each tree only comes with 30, and there's a total of 60 being shown right here. But taking a very quick look at something from Italeri, this is kit number 406, sandbags in 1/35th scale. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We used to do show and tell videos as well as a series of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.